North Korea has declared a victory over COVID-19 2 months after the first case was detected in the country. But the news of the victory came with some new revelations. It looks like Kim Jong-Un was among those who contracted the virus. Now, according to his sister, the North Korean dictator was seriously ill with a fever. Fever is a byword for coronavirus in the kingdom due to lack of tests. This is an unusual admission by the regime. In North Korea, talking about Kim Jong-un's health is a taboo. There are hardly any comments on the leader's health, so many believe there was an ulterior motive behind this admission, that the Pyongyang wanted to show that Kim shares the struggles of the people. Kim Jong-un's sister also has blamed South Korea for the outbreak. It said the virus entered the country by leaflets contaminated with COVID-19 for years. Activists from South Korea have flown balloons across the border. The balloons are to distribute leaflets critical of Kim Jong-un. In her speech, Kim Yo-jong blamed South Korean puppets for sending dirty objects across the border. North Korea said it did not record a single COVID-19 case in the first 2 years of the pandemic. But things changed in May this year. The country is said to have reported 4.8 million cases of fever, but it only identified a few of them as COVID. This was due to two reasons. One, the lack of testing kits, and two, to avoid widespread panic. Experts have cast doubt on North Korea's low death toll. This is the country has one of the world's worst healthcare systems. North Korea has also rejected international offers to provide vaccines. Last year, Pyongyang turned down nearly 2 million doses of AstraZeneca jabs. It even refused to receive nearly 3 million doses of Sinovac vaccines. Nearly 250,000 doses were allocated for North Korea by COVAX, but it got no response from Pyongyang, so the shipment was cancelled. Many say Pyongyang's dissatisfaction was one of the many reasons. What Kim Jong-un wants is US-made vaccines like Pfizer. Another likely reason is the quantity. North Korea needs more vaccines than the amounts offered, and so they refuse the shipments. But many experts say the reluctance could be due to political judgment. North Korea has always been critical of the United States, so if they use US-made vaccines to deal with the pandemic, it may become hard for them to maintain their critical stance. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.